Hi everyone, welcome back once again, and this is a very brief video in which I made tassels out of ribbon. So it's easy or not, it's messy or what, I will tell you in this video briefly, and it will help especially the beginners who really wants to learn new skills, but as well as they want to know if it's time consuming or not. So first I took the ribbon. This is a satin ribbon or silk ribbon, and the width is 1.75 inches. You can take more or less. The more is better, because once you open all the threads, once you pull all the threads out, then it will be like really thin layer you would have. So first I will cut a snip off the ribbon of my desired length. I cut it on 8 inches. And I would say if you are just starting, take a little bit extra, because at the end you can snip off the excess, but if it's small, then it's gonna be trouble for you. So first I start pulling out the threads from the corners, and from the corner to 1 inches I will just pull it out. Make sure you won't have any knots on the sides, because otherwise it will be really hard for you to untangle them, and you would ended up ruin your ribbon. I have ruined a lot. So next this is a key point here. So you have to pull this thin, very thin thread from the side, and then after it would be easy for you to pull out rest of the threads. After that I will do the same thing with another ribbon piece, and then put them together, tie from the middle, and then I will tie them together. So this is the first method. This is a very basic method, but it's a lot messier method, because once you skip and you won't keep an eye on it, you will lose all the threads. As compared to the wool tassels you are seeing on your screens, I made those earlier in my previous video. I will put the link in description. They're really easy to make. So I would suggest, if you have wool, then make the tassels out of it. The number 2 method is pull half of the threads from your whole ribbon, and do the same thing with the second ribbon piece, and then put them together, tie from the middle, and after that just tie them together. When you're tying with the help of thread, make sure you take 3 or 4 rounds of thread, so it will be more stronger, and make your thread, cut your thread bigger, so you can wrap it around easily. Once you tie the knot in the middle, take the rest of the thread from the other side, and then just join them together like I am showing you on the video. If you are having a difficult time of putting them together, then I would suggest you to use a clear tape, or you can use the fabric glue, so so you can keep the threads in one layer. Cut the excess, and then you would have your tassel ready. And I will be putting them on the corners or end of this waist coat, I would say. And if you want to see how I created this look, please check the link in descriptions, and I will be uploading all the videos together, because all the videos are connected to each other. All right, now for the method number 3, which is really easy. And first you just cut off the length of your desired ribbon, and ribbon length I mean, and after that tie the knot in the middle. Take extra thread so you can tie them together, and then just pull the thread from both sides and then just wrap it around and you're done. Method number 4 is more effective, I would say, because it's less messier. And what I did, I took out the length. First I cut off the ribbon of my desired length, and then I pulled the thread from the each side and left about half an inch in the middle, and this is how it looks after I finished this, as it's easier to sew. And as you can see in the first picture of the tassel is, as you can see, it's what would I say, it's really thin, and the second one, it's easy to handle and easy to sew. All right, after that, you are seeing are the mess we had made making those ribbons, ribbon tassels. And the first picture you saw, it was the when we were equaling the length, that's what have. And then the second picture you are seeing on your left side, that's what we pull out from the ribbon. And I only made 10, about 8 to 10 tassels, and that was the mess. And it's really messy, and I would suggest you, if you can buy the ready-made tassels, it's a lot cheaper and time saver. And second, if you have a wool, that would be much better. It's easier to handle, and it's less messy. Yeah. That's about it for this video. Please do let me know. I would suggest, in my personal opinion, I would have buy the wool, or I would have purchased the ready-made tassels, because it took me 5 hours to finish off just 20 tassels. Honestly, that's what all I needed. Anyways, that's about it for this video. Hope you guys have some key points in here and you have learned something. Please do let me know in the comment section what you think, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.